I'm Daryn Worden, here with Worden Farms in Litchfield, Minnesota. Farm corn and soybeans. The Salford right here is a 2200 and we really love it. This is our second one. We got this one at the beginning of this year and it was used, and we've never really had a problem with either of them. It's a low maintenance machine, just not having to deal with shovels and shanks and shear bolts and stuff like that. Every 100 hours you have to grease all the discs on it, and then that's about it. Hook it up and go. We get about 45 to 60 acres an hour out of it. We've been in a very big drought this year. The ground is hard, and the tillage, it seems like it doesn't want to throw as much dirt on the top, but it's still doing its job of chopping up the stalks and all the trash. So we're gonna use this on the corn stalks first, and then we're gonna turn around and hit it with the 5200 and kind of get like a little bit more of an aggressive tillage without using a tool that has shovels and shanks. We used to use rippers, but there's a lot of big rocks around here and we don't pull up near as many rocks with a chisel plow, and we're hoping to eliminate even more rocks with the 5200. Highly recommend it. Like I said, minimal maintenance. They're good on fuel, and you can cover a lot of ground in a short amount of time. If you're gonna buy one, don't hesitate.